Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will see synchronization of records with Tally with the help of autopilot transaction rule. I have logged in with the user having access for creation of autopilot transaction rule. To create this rule, we need some prerequisite data already created in Brilbook, like groups, ledgers and voucher types. Now I am creating a rule for posting invoice records created Brilbook in Tally. Add some name to this record. Select transaction entity. Transaction entity is a record for which we need to post the transactions. Select criteria field. Select criteria lookup value. Set credit. Then set credit ledger. Then set debit ledger. Now I am going to set credit field value field and set debit value field. Now I am going to save this record. For the selected account, I am creating an invoice record. For that, select type as sales, account, set account as Sarang Group of Industries. Now I am going to select the price list as standard. Then add miscellaneous amount. Set the invoice date as today's date and due date. Then I am going to save this record. As soon as we save the record, the voucher will be created in Brilbook. Now I am going to open this voucher record. Here you can see the voucher transaction and the voucher record on the screen. As soon as we mark this voucher as final, the record get auto post in Tally. Now we will go to Tally, select the ledger of Sarang Group of Industries and we'll see the voucher has been synced with Tally. In this way, by using auto post transaction rule in Brilbook, we can sync the records created in Brilbook to Tally. Thank you.